Well, welcome to today's episode. Jacob, you ready to wingsuit with us today?
Yeah, man. Yeah, I just bought a freak.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm gonna send it.
Guys, this is the last episode with Jacob on it.
Well,
We did it! Yep, looks good. All right, Miss Flippy Floppy, you ready to go? Oh, that's too much. We figured out a plan. Jacob and Alana are gonna do like a kind of a high pull, and then we're gonna do a double flyby on. All right, Jacob, Alana, don't screw this up. All right, guys, get on. Let's go. We're taking this to altitude.
Bicycle.
How many vehicles do we have? Look how many different vehicles we have to take.
variety of vehicles.
Look at this.
Get in the back. It's about to get serious.
Cotton, remind me again why you bought this?
Because we're here for a good time, not a long time?
Yeah, if we fly this, we definitely won't be here for a long time.
Oh my goodness.
Well, we're already 200 feet. Look at this.
I mean, this thing's been alive for 455 hours, so I mean.
what's one more hour?
Yeah, what's one more?
All I need is like 1,800 feet and we'll be fine. Bro, this thing is nuts. I still think we should take this.
Storms incoming.
Oh yeah, we're trying to beat a storm.
Riders on.
No, we'll be fine. Bigger winds means better swoops. Right, Cotton?
Send it.
Garrett, what are you doing?
Probably hop on, do a high pull.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jump back into the plane. We can land in the grass, Cotton! Your baby grass!
How long we've been waiting to do
Yeah,
that?
I've only heard about it on every vlog.
Well,
Bro,
I guess my complaining worked.
I couldn't land in the grass if I tried.
All right. Oh, dude, I'm getting way too old for this. Jacob, you got anything funny to say?
No, not really.
Thank goodness. Guys, breaking news. Garrett just said he's taking us all the way up to 20,000 feet.
Thank you, Garrett.
Sorry, I mean 20 feet. I heard wrong. Got it.
Just make sure your dress isn't stuck in the door, sweetheart.
Thank you. Oh, I missed it! Garrett, don't do that to us! It gives us the G's. Your face, Alana, was hilarious. Dude, the visuals today are nuts. Look at this. Woo, look at that big storm coming in. Oh, we're gonna miss it, but it's so cool to see off in the distance. Jacob, I'm low-key a little bit nervous.
Why is that?
I don't know. I just like these jumps.
I'm in complete control of the situation.
Woo! I got the butterflies going right now. I love flybys so much. You got any tips for us?
Don't fly into rainstorms.
All right, guys, we're about to go. Woo! Let me get ready. See ya. wish I would have gotten a little bit higher, but that was still pretty good. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, look at the grass Cotton made for us. Look at that grass.
Oh! Woo! That was cool, dude.
Yeah, it was. Oh, that was sick. Yeah, it was. And your flyby on me, dude.
That was pretty cool, dude. Swooping, coach!
Oh, is Jacob gonna hit the grass? Is Jacob gonna hit the grass? Look at this guy. Woo! I caught you guys too late and we were too far out, but I was like right underneath Alana, maybe like 100 feet. Good flying, my dude.
That was good.
Yeah, I saw them a little bit too late and I was like, ugh. Two flybys, one jump. Well, it was kind of a flyby. I think we were like, what?
I think
maybe
you were like right
150 feet?
I got you. 6 swoop, bro.
Bro,
6.
you hit the grass. So proud of you.
Thanks, man. I've been mentally picturing it all night.
What, just green?
Yeah, yeah.
That's nice. I caught you guys at the last second and I was like, ah!
I was like, yeah!
Yeah. I was waving at you a little bit. Did you see
I
that?
saw that.
I was just flying. I was like, woo, this is the best I can do, Alana. Thanks, Cotton.
My pleasure, man.
Appreciate the grass. All right, some good stuff. Cotton.
Yes, sir.
You promised me that we get to jump out of that now. Well, actually, technically, you said you would take me for a ride, but I thought that meant.
I mean, if I were you, I wouldn't want to land in it, so.
That's great.
Works out for everyone.
This is a perfect recipe. Neither of us, it's got a parachute, just it'll land itself. Cotton, we gotta give you some money.
I like monies. Money!
He is so greedy. You believe this guy? All right, guys, I'm gonna get packed up and then tomorrow we will be at Skydive San Marcos. So stay tuned for that in the next one. See you guys later.